The thing you need to know here is that an isosceles triangle has two sides that are congruent. So if I've marked here two congruent sides, and those two congruent sides are directly across from two congruent angles. So travel across the triangle to here, travel across the triangle to here. These two angles are congruent. They're called base angles. So the thing you need to do to solve this problem is to set your triangle up. Just draw a picture of your triangle and label the three corners, or label the three sides. And you probably don't want to mark the angles or sides yet, because you're going to say, well, which two sides are congruent? And you mark the two sides as congruent that are. Then mark the two angles that are congruent. And then the question is the angle I'm given, is it one of the two congruent angles, or is it the one that's kind of a lone, a lone angle up here, not like the other two? If it's one of the two congruent angles, then you just double it. Well, if you know the one congruent angle, then the one directly across from it is the same. And then so you add those two together, subtract from 180, and get the remaining angle up here. If the angle you're given is one of the not congruent ones, then just subtract it from 180, and when whatever you're left with has to be split evenly between the two base angles. So there you go. Isosceles triangle.